Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States in Little Hickville, USA, Belfair, Washington. Yes, the Pacific Northwest. That's where I am. So this is December 2024's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 15. My whiteboard needs to be erased and fixed, but I need a new eraser. And hopefully the next time you see this whiteboard, it will be nice because I'm going out and getting a new eraser when I go out with my aunt. So let's move the whiteboard aside. I do use it. I use it when I upload my videos. So it is handy and dandy. So let's take a look at the kit. So you got 3 of this card, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one. 9 Mossy Meadow envelopes. This white piece, that is just a sticker label, which you can use to do other things. This is a QR code that will lead you to a video to show you how to put the kit together as it was designed. These is a set of 3 dies called Merry Tags and More, which I have shown you several times. Hold on. Yikes. Here it is. That's a close-up look of them. October, November, and December's kit is what they have, what they coordinated with. The new set of dies are called Spring is in the Air, and they are for sale right now. So this is what they looked like. So you can see we have a heart, a honeycomb, a bee, and then 2 stamps, which must have a stamp to coordinate with. Yes. And so this is a visual of everything in the kit and then the list of coordinating colors. So videos 1 through 5, like I said, I show you everything in the kit. After that, we move on. We are well past that. So just a note, thank you, congrats, hello, get well soon. This is the one we are using. Lots of love, best of luck, and happy birthday. That is what Frosty the Snowman says when he puts on that magic hat of his, right? So what are we using in this one? You can see over here I have some goodies. So we are using Sending Loving Thoughts Your Way. This is from April 2024's Delicate Wings Paper Pumpkin Stamps. This is a great companion for the Get Well sentiment that is in this kit. We are using that in with the circle from this kit. And also, if you don't have butterflies from the dollar store, this butterfly had a coordinating, let's see which one. Nope, that's For the Love of Spring. This set, January, February, and March, had a set Thanks and Beyond dies. This butterfly here would have cut out this butterfly, or you could do this one with, and it would make the wings pop up. So if you got the die set that coordinate with January, February, March, you could be using this one. Oh, Thanks would have been a great one. I'll have to keep that out and remember that would work well. So, and then we are using this leafy one here from March 2023, 10 Years of Growth. This was a double stamp set, and we are using this image for the envelope and for a little bit on the sentiment circle. So that being said, I'm going to show you some more of the Christmas cards that I took down. So this, of course, was a card to my daughter from some of the people she grooms for. This one, isn't it cute? There's a little chihuahua. And this one. And this one, right? And this one, and the panda bears. Yes, those were all to my daughter. Just thought I wanted to share with you some goodies. I don't know where to set them right now. Okay. So this is a note card and envelope. So we have its matching envelope here. You can see we're using that lavender DSP here. Let's get it off. So I have the card base, which is 5 by 7, scored at 3.5. Layer number 1 is 3 3/8 by 4 7/8. Then you need to cut 2 pieces of DSP that are 2 1/4 by 2.5. Why? Where did I put my little envelope? I had a little not envelope, a little baggie. Oh, it's back in its packet. Okay, so see, I just have this little bit of DSP left. This is a combination of Unbounded Beauty and the lavender. So I just was using scrap bits out of this little baggie left over from the event I did in July. And this was the DSP, some of it that I was using just the scrap bits of. And that's what I did this card. I all about using what I have on hand. And these little bits came in perfect for this card. So that's how this card came to be, guys. And I love showing you how things come into hand. So these two, yep, there we go. Two, double checking because I know it's 2.5 by 2 1/4. So you'll need 2 of those. And then I cut off from another piece this size, 1/2 of an inch by 2 1/4. So you need those. Now I have a piece of ribbon. This is just some organdy ribbon that is 3.5 inches long. The sentiment circle. And I have a dollar store butterfly. So if you don't have a dollar store butterfly and you have the paper pumpkin, you can use its paper pumpkin. Now I have this little bit that we may cut a little strip of and put on the inside of the card. We'll have to wait and have a look-see to see what we like. So first of all, we are going to stamp in Gorgeous Grape here. Ta-da! Get well soon. Nice cheery card. Right in, oh, let's just give it a look. I know I've already used it once, but we did the smushy just because it looked like it needed it again. Get well soon. Ta-da! That's it. And, oh, let's go ahead and stamp the envelope as well. We are going to stamp Get well soon also on the envelope. I'm going to go look for more cards and envelopes as well because I've been using them like crazy. So sending loving thoughts your way. We're going to go ahead and stamp this on the inside because this will tell me if I'm going to put a strip of DSP. I should not have closed the Gorgeous Grape. If we're going to go ahead and use that strip. We may not. Nope, we're not. There's not going to be enough room. So that will just go back into my, let's see, right there. I just think this pairs beautifully with Get Well Soon. Da-da, 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 da-da. Yes, I am happy. Very, very, very happy. So Gorgeous Grape is all done. Now we have Lost Lagoon. This, guys, is one of those things that I'm telling you, this is what is so great about the stamp set for this month, is that it's going to pair. It's going to pair with other paper pumpkin stamps. It's going to pair with other image stamps that you have. It's just going to work really well. And I'm hoping that I'm doing a good job of demonstrating that for you. So we're just going to bring this like right there. We don't need a lot. I just want to bring a little bit there. Let's go ahead and put a little there. And I'm even going to bring just a little right there. Now I do have a certain person that I'm thinking of sending this to. So this may or may not make it in the review. I've already sent one card that I made out to a special someone. So this also, where's my little circle? So I want to stamp this off. What we are doing is, you see this little leafy part here? This is reminiscent of it. It's not identical. No, I mean, we could color it in if we wanted to, but we're not doing that. So I want to stamp off because I want it to be light. So let's take a look. Oh, that's perfect. Stamp off, and I'm going to stamp in the center. Just want a little bit, and maybe a little there, and a few like right there. That's all. Okay, so this is done. Now we're going to stamp off. Woo. Let's try that again. Stamp off going that way. And we can stamp off right there. That's it. So we're all done doing our stamping. Now we can put this together. This is going to be a quick and easy card. It was meant to be quick and easy. So now I do have two pieces. I have one that has two little butterflies, one that doesn't. The one that does not have two little butterflies is going to get the piece with the ribbon. Why? Because I can and because that's the piece I chose. So I'm going to grab my little tray of goodies here. Thank you for sending me glue dots, guys. I love these. I just do. So we are going to add one on the side. Thank you guys so much. You're so kind to share with me that side. So I want to get it roughly in the center-ish. You know, eyeball it. We're not going. There's one. Both sides of this paper are absolutely lovely. Let's see. That looks great. I think maybe I'll tuck those up there. This is going to go here. I'm not even going to, see, it's just going to give us a little bit more focal point. This is going to come like so. We're going to get these two glued in place and then the sides. So first one is this one, the never-ending bottle of Tombow. And as I say that, tap, tap it down. Nothing is coming out. And now I'm got to share the love here because there's a whole bunch that doesn't need to be there. It came out way too fast. So there, I don't need like a whole bunch of seepage. But once I open a bottle, I feel I have to use it. When it gets to the end, it kind of gets like that. And this piece can go here. And now I realize this piece really should have been over more. So let's do that. Oops, my sleeve. Come on, slide for me. There we go. No dimensionals. I'm gonna stick glue at the top, glue at the bottom. Get well soon gets to go straight down. We're gonna put this now right on top of our card base. See where the paper from the DSP kind of like got stuck, so we'll pull that up all the way. I mean, that in itself is darling, but this little dollar store butterfly has no dimensionals on it, and it's darling, just darling. And it is going to go right there. And there's my quick quick and simple card. That's it, guys. Nothing else to it. Where is my envelope? So there it is. Quick and simple. I mean, if you wanted, you could have popped this on dimensionals, add some bling on there. But you know what? I am really, really, really happy with it just the way it is. It does need some Wink Estella on the flowers, and that to me is all it needs. Quick, simple, easy little card that I can quickly get into the mail. So if you don't see it in the review, please note that it was already mailed. But you may. I don't know yet. So just have to wait and see. Making sure I got everything I wanted to douse down with the Wink Estella. So I hope you guys like this one. I know it's a quick and easy one, but it is darling, and the inside is just as darling. I think so anyways. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this one, and I hope to see you all again in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.